can I tell her this, guys? That's like, never mind. I don't even want to tell you. Well, I could just maybe adopt a kid. You know what? I want a boy and a girl. So that's when I adopted CJ first, because CJ, you know, I want to. Hey guys! What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be doing a Play-Doh video with Mariah. All right, we got this barbecue grill right here. We're gonna be cooking it up, right, Mariah?
Yeah, cooking it up.
Yeah, we're gonna be cooking it up, guys. So look. So to get started, what you gonna make today? What you gonna be making? It's a secret. Okay. All right, so it's a secret. All right, so I got my. Okay. So this is all. We got a whole bunch of colors, guys.
A whole bunch.
So we can make
anything
we want.
I buy this barbecue set.
Oh, look. I'm about to be grilling. Look, I don't even know how to grill. Who out there? Who know how to grill in real life?
I know how to grill.
I don't know how to grill. So this is actually my first time grilling. You know how to grill? I don't know how to grill.
It's my first time too. But let's just get into this video.
Let's get into this video. Okay. Personality. All right, so we got our little grill set, little things we can make, guys. I know what I'm making. How you take it? Hold on. How you gonna take the grill though? You took the whole grill, but it's cool because look, I'm about to get my veggies on. Let me see. I'm gonna get some of my veggies.
I need some
Let me see.
Some cheese.
You can see this too.
I'm doing that.
And we got one with like veggies and stuff on it, guys.
I don't like veggies.
We got this from
I don't like veggies.
Target, guys. Got this from Target. So if you guys want this, Target for like $20. Deal. Okay. Let me see. I'm gonna make me some. Can I make me some lettuce? I'm gonna make me some lettuce, guys. I'm making me a burger. That's what I'm making me.
I'm making a hot dog and.
Okay. You sure you're gonna be able to make that hot dog?
Yeah.
You sure?
This is the hot dog bun.
That's the hot dog bun?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
What we gotta use? This is some brown for the hot dog, guys.
Okay.
Some brown like grilled.
All right.
Grilled
So
bread. I'm about to do some grilled bread, okay, guys? I don't think grilled bread is supposed to go on the hamburger.
Ooh, I got me some lettuce.
I need that right now. I need some shrimp.
Dang, how you gonna take it?
I'm taking it because I need some shrimp.
Some shrimp?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a spoon.
Okay. So I got my lettuce, guys.
I need my
burger. Can I use? Hold on. I need to make this. Can I use some brown? I got some brown, guys.
Sure.
So I make my hamburger buns. I'm gonna make me some hamburger buns, guys.
Guys, look, I'm about to make something. Oh yeah, look how delicious that look.
Ooh, that look good. Ooh, you got some shrimp. Some shrimp? Is that shrimp?
Yeah. Look.
Whoa, look at that shrimp. Hold on, I'm making me a hamburger.
This is bussin'.
Bun. Bussin'.
Yeah, cause this is a bussin' Play-Doh set.
Oh.
It's bussin'.
I'm making me a. This is my hamburger. Dog, what's the bread? The bread. Now, how we gonna make the bread?
This is how to make bread.
How we gonna make the bread? Here go my burger, guys. My burger.
You see this?
Oh, that's the bread? Oh, snaps. Okay.
Okay,
Mark. So I got my lettuce and I got my hamburger.
No,
Look.
that's the bottom.
That's the hamburger.
No, that's the bottom.
The bottom of what? Here. That's my look. That's my hamburger. Oh, we need some more. Let me see.
Shrimp, guys. I got shrimp.
Okay.
Isn't that steamer grilled? So we grill, guys. I got my French fries, guys.
Okay.
My French fries.
I'm about to make me my hamburger buns. Let me see. My hamburger bun. Let's see if I can make me a hamburger bun, guys.
Yeah. You know what's the bun right there?
Oh, I'm making me a hamburger bun. Let's see. Oh, look at my hamburger bun. Hamburger bun. Look. Y'all gonna be like, oh, can I go to that restaurant, Mommy? Mommy, can you?
This is our restaurant.
Mommy, can I go to that restaurant?
It's a house. It's a house.
Restaurant.
It's a restaurant.
It's called.
It's a restaurant. It's called a restaurant.
It's called Mania Tube Restaurant.
So come and knock out the door. You can come in.
I don't agree with that. You might not come in, but I'm gonna be selling hamburgers.
Yeah, hamburger meat.
Okay.
You need to start doing some hamburger meat.
Look, I'm getting my food ready. Look.
My food's getting ready.
My food is getting ready, girl.
I'm about to, guess what I'm about to do?
What you about to do?
I'm about to make a burger with this shrimp and a hot dog. Oh, that's a good meal.
Oh.
Because somebody asked for that. Because they asked.
Mariah. Mariah.
That was in my wheel.
Why you yelling?
I don't know.
Why you yelling at me?
I'm not yelling.
You are yelling. No, you just yelled at me. You didn't even know you yelled at me, but you just...
Where?
Girl, I am scared.
Where?
What is going on?
A brown. You took all the brown.
Well, look, I had to make me a burger.
You're not confused too.
But then how you gonna make the burger? You gotta close it up. Here. Here. They go brown. Okay. Okay. You got that.
Too. It's gonna make a hamburger.
You can't make no hamburger. I'm making me a hamburger. You making a hot dog.
No, I'm not making a hot dog. I'm making a hamburger.
Why you copying off of me? You made shrimp.
Fine, I'll use I'll do.
Okay, I'm make you. Are you jealous of my burger? Is that the part? Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna try to smash this up a little bit. You can have all that brown. Let's see.
That's a little bit.
I only got a little bit, girl. Now I gotta spread this out.
I want them to do it.
Now how I'm about to get this out? Ooh.
I'm about to make my cheeseburger with this.
Ooh.
And I'm about to make this one.
Can I give me? Ooh.
Now I made my ball of bun, guys.
Your bottom of your bun? Okay. Can I see some?
No.
Can I please do mine?
I gotta do this one. Okay, it's not special. Okay, I'm trying to do mine first.
Okay. Oh, you grilling?
Oh, I done grilling.
Oh, girl, you grilling. Oh.
Oh my god. Let's put the buns right here. So that
Oh,
way
we gonna grill this up.
we're about to grill up. We're grilling up.
Grilling?
Grilling. Wait, hold up.
Who wanna grill?
We gotta get the meat.
Okay, so then let me see. Okay,
My
tomato.
meat.
I need me a tomato. Can I get me some tomato? What's the red? Is this red?
This is red.
That's pink, girl. This red.
Oh, I want the red.
Red right here for everybody.
Can you help me?
We sharing.
some?
Now where's the tomato?
Can I get some?
Can I get it? Can I see the tomato? It ain't no tomato.
Wait.
What?
We forgot the box so we can see.
With a tomato. Okay,
I
this
put
is my
tomatoes there.
Where?
Tomatoes over there.
No, it ain't. That's gonna be.
I forgot meat.
No, this is my
Ooh,
tomato
meat is
today.
right there.
This is my tomato.
That's.
Right there. That's some tomato.
This is tomato.
Okay, guys. So far I got my bottom
We
bun.
make sandwiches too.
Oh, I need me some cheese. We need some cheese in here.
No, you got yellow
Cheese.
right
It's
here.
my yellow right here.
My yellow. Cause look, I got more.
You got more. That's not even fair.
No, you can use mine. We're sharing.
Thank
Sharing
you.
is caring.
Sharon is Karen.
Oh, the meat. Yes.
Mariah.
This.
Mariah, guess what?
What?
Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
Huh? No, I'm saying, can I say? Can I tell you something?
Sure. Yes.
Can I tell you something?
Yes.
Guess what?
What?
Well,
I don't know.
I adopted CJ.